Hi, today I'm going to be doing a 5x5 tutorial. So now scramble it up. Okay, so now I have it all scrambled up. So, first you should at least know how to solve a 3x3. I mean a 4x4. You learn how to solve a 3x3. Okay, so first we want to create the middle bar for the white center, like here. So I can bring this piece up, make that, bring another one, to back down. Then you have your first white bar. You want to press them up, make another bar, add it to the center. You want to find the white pieces like I'm not doing right now because I can't find them. But if you have this, don't worry, just do this. Move it out of the way, or you can put it in. Then put it in again. Then your first center. So now we're going to do the yellow center. You basically do the same thing with the middle layer, but then when you move it up, you do U2 and then bring it back down. Or if you have something already, put it there and put it into the top layer. So then you just want to make a bar, or if you already have one, you want to put it up into the top layer, move it out of the way, restore. Then you want to make the last one. And by the way, this piece is broken because once I was taking it apart, and then I lost a piece of that piece. So now you can't just do this because then it will destroy the white center. So what you're going to do is do this. Okay. Done with your second center. Why am I doing again? Oh yeah, 500 tutorial. Huh? Oh, there's a center. So, you want to pair them up together in the middle layer. And then you basically just keep pairing them up until you're done with the red center. And then, yeah. I'll see you in a bit. So once you've done that, you want to move on to the green center. So, pair up middle bar, move it out of the way, put it back in. It's basically just like the same thing as a yellow center, but different. So, pair them up. If you have something like this, do that, put it down, up. So then you basically just want to do that. So then we reach our last center. So we want to get as many pieces as we can into the centers. And then when you get pieces, you want to do this algorithm. Well, not an algorithm, but you do this. You align them up, move it to a different layer, up again, do that. So then this piece will restore it. Put it back. Then your centers are done at 4 minutes. Okay. So now we're doing the edges. It doesn't actually matter which edge you do first, but if you have this where it's flipped and you have one like this, you do this. Then you do this algorithm where you flip an edge. Then you want to restore it. Then you got your first edge pair. Then you want to put it into the top layer, like that. Then you want to do that all the way until you're down to your last 4 edges. Well, actually, let me show you something. So, you want to pair them up, keep putting them in the middle layer, and then keep pairing them up. So then, you want to keep doing this until you're down to the last 4 edges. And I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now we're down to the last 4 edges in the middle layer. So, now you want to have the edges. So you don't want it to be like this, because if you do that, you won't be able to put it anywhere. So, you actually want to flip the whole edge. I'll put the algorithm right up here. And then do that. And do the algorithm again. And put it back. Then you got another edge done. So you want to keep doing that until the last 2 are almost done. Okay. So now you want to pair them up. Then you just want to solve it like a 3x3. Oh no, we got some parity. Let me show you that algorithm right now. So, you want to do this. Do that twice. Okay, so then you just solve it like a normal 3x3. So you just want to keep solving it like a 3x3. Doesn't matter which method you use. I'm using CFOP, so that's why I'm actually going kind of fast. Although if you guys want to learn how to do CFOP, go look at my video. And yeah. What's this algorithm? Anyways, I think I got like a G perm. Wait, no, this isn't a G perm. I mean G perm. No, I don't know. I forgot this algorithm. I'm just gonna do like the beginner's like thingy. Wait, is this a J perm? I got a J perm. So you just want to solve it like a 3x3. And your 5x5 is solved. Hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all successed. I'll see you all next time. Bye.